So the question on everyone's mind is, will Bitcoin go up in value? Now, I don't have a crystal ball, I can't predict the future, but based on all logic of things that have come before us and understanding Bitcoin as well as I do, my honest answer is it's very, very difficult to see a time in which it doesn't move forward. Now, people often say to me, well, Josh, if you look at the charts, you know, it went from $1,000 up to $20,000 and then it went back down to $3,000. You know, loads of people lost loads of money in that process. It's dead, you know, it's a really risky sector. How can you go from $20,000 to $3,000? And what I always say to people is just to kind of zoom out a little bit. Bitcoin has been with us now 10, 11 years at the time of filming this. And instead of getting wrapped up in the yearly kind of highs of the market, going it went to this much and it went to this much and it went to this, look at the opposite approach. If you kind of zoom out and you look at the 10-year history of Bitcoin at the yearly lows and you kind of stagger that approach, you can see a very, very one-way trend of the yearly low price increasing pretty much year on year for that entire period. So ultimately, it's very difficult to predict the top end price of where this will go. But Bitcoin has some fundamental factors, which means that it gets more expensive to mine as time goes by. It costs physically more infrastructure to be able to continue to move that forward. This is one of the many misconceptions that people have about this space. People think that Bitcoin is just this made up internet money that doesn't really have a value or a substance. You know, we've done other videos on this explaining in much more detail about this, so please have a look around the channel for some more details. But the very quick answer is that there's a hell of a lot of time, energy, money and resources that go into the creation of one Bitcoin. It's not just something that's spun up on a computer out of nowhere and has no intrinsic worth. So the reality of it is as time progresses, the value of production increases in real costs, which kind of has a positive price pressure to move things forward over time as well. And that's notwithstanding the demand increasing as more people want the services. So it's a very complicated answer, but in order to keep this video nice, short, simple and sweet, I'm very confident the price of Bitcoin is going to increase. It will be really interesting to look back on this retrospectively in 5 years' time as I sit there in my desk, hopefully quite my big desk. You know, if the Bitcoin price is done as well as we think, then everyone will be happy and smiley. But the reality of it is that yes, you can make some great money in this space. Yes, I truly believe the price of Bitcoin is going to go up over time. How quickly and to what price? I'm not going to stand here and give you any answers because the honest truth is I don't know. And anyone that says they know, quite frankly, is crazy or just a bit of a mad gamble. But the truth is that fundamentals are pushing us one way. Stop looking at the yearly highs, look at the yearly lows and use that to make an informed investment choice if you think this is a market that might be for you. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto. I hope this has helped answer some of your crypto questions. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the sector, maybe you've got some other questions that are burning on your mind, have a look around the channel, leave us a like, give us a subscribe, and we can't wait to see you in the next video soon.